Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. Have you ever noticed that you change the ringtone in the Grandstream IP phone, but after saving and rebooting, the ringtone still does not change? Why does this happen when using a third-party SIP PBX? However, if you are using Grandstream UCM PBX, this issue does not happen on these phones. So in this video, I will explain the reason and the complete solution. So I have IP phone and you change the ringtone in your IP phone from account call settings and account ringtone to a particular ringtone, but still the phone rings on default system ringtone every time. Whether you have modified to a particular ringtone or upload your custom ringtone, but the phone still rings on the default system ringtone. The ringtone is changed in the phone settings, but incoming calls still use the default ringtone. So, if you are using Grandstream phones with 3CX, Asterisk, FreePBX, or specifically with Matrix PBX, this video will help you fix it. So generally, a third-party PBX sends SIP alert info header and the phone follows that PBX alert info instead of local ringtone. So this third-party PBX controls ringtone intentionally of Grandstream IP phone and restrict the IP phone not to play the modified ringtone. Now, if we discuss what are the benefits of choosing the different ringtones in the IP phone, you can specify the different ringtone for ring groups, queue calls, intercom, and external callers. So, if you are receiving the call from extension to extension or from the external to internal extension number, then you can specify the different ringtone for them. So how you can fix this issue, I'll tell you. So what we have to do is to log in the IP phone and navigate to the account and select the call setting options. Here we have an option of ignore alert info header. So what it does, it ignore the alert info header of the PBX, and then the phone can work with the specified ringtone which you have set in the IP phone. So enable this alert info header option and save and apply. Now you can choose any ringtone of your wish. Then when any incoming call coming through the third party PBX, then phone will play its different ringtone. Now the Grandstream phone will use the local configured ringtone instead of the ringtone forced by the PBX. This issue is very common in third-party PBX environment. And if you're using Grandstream UCM PBX or GCC based PBX, then you don't have to enable this option. By default, no alert info is coming from the Grandstream PBX. And I have personally noticed this issue with Matrix PBX. And if you are using Matrix PBX, then you need to enable this ignore alert info header to solve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more IP phone, IP PBX related videos. Thank you and have a nice day.